Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, Amit bhai. I think Bala bhai is present today, so we can discuss more.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Bala bhai just connecting.
No,
Yes.
no. Yes, yes.
Yes, Bala.
Hello, Bala bhai.
Good
Happy
evening,
to see
sir.
you. Yes, after very
Good evening.
long time. Now
Yes, 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 yes.
you are here. So
Past 4 days, I'm inactive in this group. Very
okay.
sorry
Uh-huh.
to say this.
No,
No
that's not
problem.
problem. You are
Yes,
serious member.
yes, yes,
That is not
yes,
problem.
yes, yes, yes.
Because
Because
now
in Tamil Nadu
now
state,
yes, yes. Yes, Bala bhai,
uh,
speak.
election, yes, yes. In Tamil Nadu state, the elections are starting, but properly it's not announced, sir. But all
Hmm.
political people they are getting start their election work.
Okay.
Okay.
That's why you are very
Uh,
much busy nowadays because you have to publish
yes, my chief
represent also.
place is our native places.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu CM native places, my places also that's
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And also you are reported.
last week they are starting
You are
propaganda,
also
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir, please start, sir.
Okay. We are just doing general discussion, nothing else.
Yes,
That's
yes,
why I
yes, yes, sir.
posted in group.
No.
Just come and join. Just talk general thing. We are not going to discuss on any topic. So
Mhm.
whatever you want to
Yes,
say,
yes.
you can speak. You can put up topic. We can discuss.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Past
Because
2 days before in Britain,
yes,
uh, they are founded some new coronaviruses.
yes.
Yes. So all airport are security alert and
Yes.
nobody allowed will not take tested. They
I
are
think
starting again.
I think first time India has done some good work. After
Yes,
listening that news, they just stop all the flight which are coming from the Britain. Just they block the airport,
Britain. Yes,
and also they are finding
yes,
50,000
Hmm.
people who have just traveled from Britain to India within 1 or 2 months. Now they are searching to test. Okay, if there is any symptoms, so
yes, yes,
they can medicate them otherwise. So I think this time India has done some good work. Yes, after listening news, they just stop the all the flight because because we are suffering from coronavirus, and also we know due to only Dubai flight, only some flight which came from the Singapore and some various country. The main reason of speed of coronavirus is that because India government did not stop flight that time, and after 1 month and 2 months, every people just scatter all over the India, and now they spread the coronavirus, and now we are facing the difficult situation. But now this time they have taken very good decision. Please stop the all the flight, and I think they have stopped till 31 December to analyze the condition. So I think condition is not worse. Condition is manageable because today Britain government is also said that there is no any matter of panic because this is controllable and this is not harmful as like coronavirus. And I think corona is also controlled now because I am living in Bikaner. Nowadays we are getting only 4 to 5 cases, and
yes,
only near about in whole Rajasthan only 1,500 people are admitted in hospital. Otherwise, near about 1,100 people are just taking treatment at their home. So we can say कि
yes,
yes, now this is controlled, and also we are looking the output because nowadays I think at every places now life is just become normal. People are
yes, yes,
going office, also they're doing marketing, and also cinema hall is already open, and sports activities already started. I think only schools is are
yes, yes,
closed now, otherwise everything is going. And also our parliament is closed, but uh, I think election is not closed because Amit Shah is just taking rally in Bengal. So there is no matter of corona, but when they are coming to open the parliament, they are saying yes, uh, parliament is affected from the coronavirus, and that can be affected. That's why they are not opening parliament, but they are doing rally in Bengal. So this is very double standard thinking of government also. Also, you can take example of Bihar. You have
Yes.
stopped school, everything, but in Bihar you are doing rally. There is no mask, there is nothing. But I think government should take it serious also, because you are government. If you are not doing, you are not taking responsibility, then how you can expect from other the member, means general people, general public. Yes, Amit bhai.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely correct now. And actually, see, this strain corona, as see, whatever I have listened it, miss, whatever I have heard it, okay, they are saying that it is more dangerous as compared to that coronavirus. So anyhow, the Indian government has taken the good decision, and they completely stopped the flight which were coming to which were coming from the Britain to India, and also and most see whatever, and they are searching those who had travel, okay, means who came from Britain to India, and they kept those the people in a quarantine. Okay, so now let's see what will happen, because it is not in our hand, and as they are saying that it is a more dangerous as compared to the corona. So we have already we have bear with this corona.
Amit bhai, I think this is a statement which is given by the Britain government, but now they are
Okay,
saying we are just study. This is more
okay,
dangerous
Yes,
or
yes,
less
yes.
dangerous. Only just
okay.
announce, and due to that announcement, Sensex of every
It
country
will
just
take
fall
more time.
down. Yes,
Mhm.
Balabhai is saying right. It will take more time, means 1 month, 2 months. Then we can say yes, this is dangerous or not. And also vaccination in China and America is already started.
Okay.
Maybe in next month India is also going to
Mhm.
start vaccination. So maybe we can reduce, and
No,
also
no.
we can
See,
symptoms
no,
of
no.
that.
But see, whatever the vaccine currently they are preparing or producing, it is only for the corona. But uh, this virus, it has a different symptoms also. So you cannot compare it this particular virus with the coronavirus.
Yes,
It
yes, Amit
means
bhai, you are right. But I
every
think that is also a type of corona, because
One of the
that
yes,
is
type
yes,
of
because
corona, sir.
yes, this is
yes, yes.
also
But
one of the type of corona. So
the
maybe
properties are different. Uh,
yes, I am talking
Its
about
strain
only
prop.
is
possibility.
variable, sir.
I am talking about
Yes,
only possibility. Maybe there is a
yes, yes, yes.
possibility we can do treatment by using that vaccine also, because this is a only type of corona. It's like, you can take example of sardi and bukhar. So sometime we used to take paracetamol, and
Mhm.
that works in both cases. So maybe that vaccine can be work in both
Mhm.
cases. Maybe in corona as well as
Okay.
the new symptoms you were talking about. Actually, I think the name of that symptoms is something 2021 IQ, something like that. Actually, I can't recall the name, but I think some scientists
Mhm.
just given a nomenclature to that symptoms. So just wait for 5 to 10 days.
Mhm.
We have more
Yeah.
detail about that
Picture will
symptom.
be clear then. Yes.
Yes, sir, picture will be clear. Also,
It
Yes.
is
vaccination
only
will also.
affected,
Absolutely.
new coronavirus affected very young people. In England, 17-year age old people more affected with that particular coronavirus.
Okay, okay,
Says about their scientists.
okay, okay.
But in India, we are already facing more problem against the corona. But now people are very aware of corona. Most of people, I think 80% of people are wearing masks, keep distance, and
Now
keeping
people are much
sanitary
aware.
source.
Now people are much aware
Yes, yes, yes.
compared to before, because in March, April, May, June, people are just taking it easily and lightly. But I am looking at the gathering. Now people are wearing the mask, and they also using sanitizing. That's why we have managed the cases of coronavirus. I think you can see
And
also.
also they are, and
Yes.
also they are increasing their immunity power with natural food. They are changing, taking food items and getting more exercise. They are
Yes, Asu
changing
bhai,
their
you can
life changed.
speak. If you want to speak, so you can speak, because you have raised your hand. That's why.
Okay, okay, okay. Because last week I traveled 2,000 kilometer to my university. Actually, I went to my university, and
Okay.
in whole journey, I didn't wear mask. And in the whole bus, I think nobody was wearing mask, and in train also, and in platform
Also,
also.
you all belong from UP.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, actually, I have spent 15 days in my village, and within 15 days, I never wear the mask. Either people are not wearing the
Yes,
mask.
yes.
If I wear the mask, people are
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
you are infected with corona. So that is very critical situation. And I think at my home there is a marriage ceremony. Near about 3,500 people gathered at that place. Only hardly I have seen two or three people just wear the mask. Otherwise, people are not wearing the mask because they know there is no any corona.
Yeah,
And I also feel that there is no corona. This is only you can say how or something like that. That's why
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
asking you if you are belong to UP. So
Yeah,
if people of UP are very much confident that there is no corona, they are just assumed we can't affect it from the corona.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's why I'm saying because I
Yes,
have
yes,
also
yes.
Yes, yes. Actually, village level
Yeah,
people have immunity is great. That is also one of the reason they are not worrying too much about the corona.
but at last, I will say, really, this corona, like these days, because universities are not open, so like thousands of students are at their home, and they are under stress these days because it's
yes,
been a long time. We are at home and not studying very well because I also have a JRF exam to appear next year,
okay, okay,
and just because of I am at my home, so I'm not able to prepare very well.
yes,
So that's the
yes.
condition I think all the students are facing,
I
and
think
now
we
all the
have already
students are
lost
like frustrated with this condition.
already we have lost 1 year because first lockdown come in India
Yeah,
from
yeah,
15 March, and now this is December. So maybe,
yes,
and I am not seeing any good conditions. So university is going to open in January of Feb. Maybe uh, 15 Feb. After 15
yeah, yeah,
Feb, they are planning to open the universities and schools because university is open for only for employee, not for student. The student also can visit the university, but uh,
yeah.
I think if university is fully open,
But
they
when I feel more frustrated because when I see uh, like lakhs of people in rallies, when the politician do rallies in Bihar, in West Bengal,
yes, yes,
and in Hyderabad, so
yes.
there are thousands of people in their rally. But if a student will go to college, then he may spread COVID-19, and he is
A-
educated well.
Actually,
He's a student, and the
Bhai,
mob don't know anything. So how
Actually,
like it's
we
really
start our
frustrating
discussion
things.
with this point. Actually, we are discussing about this point. Now, Amit Shah is doing rally
Yeah,
in Bengal, but they have just closed the parliament because parliament can be affected
yeah,
through the coronavirus, but the rally is not going to affect. So we are talking that is our standard of
yeah.
government, and government is not concerned about people; they are
Hmm.
concerned about their benefit. If there is election, they are doing rally.
Yes.
If there is no election, they are talking much more about corona. Yes, you have to do this, you have to do this. So this is only matter of time. You can take example of Bihar. Also, you can take example of
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bengal now. Every school is closed, but in Raleigh, I think there is no corona.
Hmm.
Maybe corona just afraid by seeing the crowd. Maybe this can be happen.
Yeah, yeah. It may be.
Yes, when Corona see thousands of people are gathering at same place, maybe Corona can assume that they are coming
Yeah.
to beat me. So that's why Corona just run away from that place. Maybe this is possibility.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah. Absolutely.
Yes, Amit bhai, I think you are just
Yes, yes.
filing. Yes,
No, no, just I am, I am listening it. Okay. And what are the sentence you guys preparing where you are using the phrases properly or not? Your sentence structure, making sense of structure is proper or not. That I'm concentrating. Okay. And what we'll do?
So,
Pradeep Rai,
so
okay, we will have the session on the Saturday where we will discuss only this, the sentence making. If you
Okay, okay,
have doubt, I have a lot of doubts. Okay,
okay,
and I tried to ask on the different groups also, but I am not satisfied. So what I
mhm.
feel, then suddenly that the point came into my mind, and I thought that we would keep such a session on every Saturday. For example, now let me tell you in Hindi. मैंने मेरे बच्चे के दांत ब्रश किए, मैं उसको नहलाया, मैंने उसकी चड्डी पहन दी, मैंने उसका शर्ट पहना दिया, राइट, मैंने उसकी टट्टी साफ कर दी. So these are the some sentences, right? Okay, I have to make in English.
but
Okay,
Yes, yes,
Amit
suppose
yes.
मैंने
bhai,
उसको
but Amit
उसको
bhai,
ऐसे उठाया.
Amit bhai, just I want to mention one thing.
Yes,
ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है
yeah,
कि
yeah.
जो हम बोल रहे हैं उसी को सेंटेंस कन्वर्ट करें, बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी वेज
Na
टू
na
से
na
द सेम
na. See
थिंग्स.
see see see.
देयर आर
Yeah,
मेनी
yeah,
टू सेम
no
थिंग.
no 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 no. Now, see, there would be a different way to express your the feelings also, right?
Yes,
Yes,
So,
suppose I
sometimes you
am
can
taking
use the
example.
different word.
You
You
know,
can see, right?
Amit bhai, yesterday I was
Yeah.
watching a web series that is Mismatched.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened once
No,
girl
no.
come
Wait,
into the
okay.
room.
Before.
yeah.
Yes, the guy say
Mhm,
you made it,
mhm,
means तुम आ गई.
So watch that
mhm.
web series, though.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना कि तुम आ गई कहने का एक दूसरा तरीका हो सकता है, यू मेड इट. And also I have seen a web series, there is a
No,
music playing and the guy say
mhm,
कि please kill the music.
mhm.
Kill the
Sir,
music,
sir,
just
just
stop the
excuse
music.
me, sir.
No,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Made it means that तुमने कर दिखाया.
But
Made it
Yes,
means
yes.
that
You have
actually,
that.
you
made
know,
it
That's
doesn't
absolutely
mean you
right,
आ
right.
गई.
Absolutely.
तुमने
actually,
कर दिखाया.
Asu
Okay,
bhai,
like
I am
you promised me you will come and you did it. Okay, that means you made it.
actually that I am expressing. There are many ways.
Actually, my network is not stable.
Okay,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they say,
Hmm.
So that's why
Amit,
what I
Yeah,
said,
there are
we
many
will
ways.
have.
Yeah,
Uh,
certainly there are so many ways
yes, yes. Please go
to
on.
say a same line, but
yes,
we should be aware about all the sentences we can use. Okay, but
but Asu
like
bhai also
if
is
we
certain,
only
also it's
use one
certain
sentence, then we repeat the same
that
sentence
that
again and
sentence
again.
can be
Okay,
understandable.
but if we want to fluent, then we should be aware of all the sentences.
Okay,
His network is so poor.
yes.
So you hope you
Yes, yes,
understood it,
yes.
right?
Because I
And what I will
already
do,
have.
yeah. See, whatever the doubt you can keep posted on our group also, so that anybody can read it and then give the reply or give the answer on that particular. Because whatever I had this doubts also in my mind, and keeping a doubt in his mind, it is something the obstacle. Okay, right? It's right, and we are. This is the hurdle something. Okay, and if you have that the doubt, so it says the half mind is devil something, devil mind. I'm not getting that the proverb, but the half
Yeah,
knowledge is like a devil mind or
then
something,
dangerous
right?
thing.
So
Little
so
knowledge is
see
dangerous thing.
whatever expression.
That is
Yes,
little
yes.
knowledge
So
is
likewise every day we will have means yeah, little knowledge, half knowledge, like a devil
little
mind
knowledge
something.
is
Half
dangerous
knowledge
thing.
is a devil mind. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, little knowledge is a dangerous thing, but you just check half knowledge is a devil mind something.
That can be possible.
Because
We can mold
okay,
the
so
food in
see,
Oh
different
my
ways.
god.
Yeah, we can mold it. Yes.
yeah. So okay, let it be. But let's concentrate on this one. Miss C now, the Ashu may have some issues, or Bala will have may have some issues, or Ganesh will have some doubts. So we will keep one particular session to clarify our doubts. And
Yes, yes.
Saturday, I feel that it is the best way
Yeah,
to
sure.
express, because see, I told you that I have such a doubts also. So after after this the discussion, I'll put those doubts. Okay, let me check that who will. And on that day, I had posted some doubts. Means if it is a plural or it is a singular, you know. So see, for example, if it is a police, so police are or police is. Okay, so we should aware about this, the little fact. right? And because sometimes we don't know when we are going to face the facts also. So it is very important to clarify your doubts and share your doubts with others, so that your knowledge is gradually, or it's adding in your knowledge only. So it's important to have the good fluency also.
Amit bhai,
So what do
actually,
you feel
Amit
that? What do you
bhai,
think about this?
yesterday I
Yeah.
was watching a YouTube channel. I think there is a guy. He was saying,
Yeah.
don't focus on the grammar.
Hmm.
Currently, I can see you. You are
Hmm.
speaking, and we are easily understanding you. What are you saying? I am not focusing on you
Yes.
are making mistake,
Yes.
because the finally whatever
Yeah.
you are delivering, that should be understood by everyone. If everyone
No.
is understanding, I think you are speaking right. Then why I'm going to point out
Yes.
you are
No.
making
No.
mistake, you
No.
are making
No. See.
mistake?
See. See.
Because
Yes.
you
Yes.
are
You
just
are absolutely.
becoming so much serious about that thing. Just take it
No. No.
as
No. I
like
am not.
fun.
See. I'm. No, no, I am not seriously at all. But in other hand, I am so much serious about this, because
Yes, yes.
now we are in this group. Okay, if you move from one place to another, just have a word with other who are the native speaker of English. Then
Yes,
you will be realized that where you are, what is
yes, yes.
your stage. Okay, and then suddenly you will be got a shock that what is this. Okay, so we will have to hold our
But
horses.
Amir bhai, if you
Huh?
are talking with the American person, so definitely he has
Mhm.
to speak Hindi as we can speak. So
No,
that is only
no,
matter.
no, no. I'm not talking. See, no, no. I'm not talking about this accent. I'm not talking about. I'm talking about the fluency only. I'm talking about the fluency. That's why yesterday I told you that I had a discussion with one particular guy. He was from the Punjab, and the way he was speaking and the way I was speaking, okay, the fluency. But when I compared it, with him, so I could observe, see, I could feel that not the if there is a one particular native speaker will have the different, the way of the sentence making structure. And suppose we are, when I am talking, so that time I feel that I am lacking somewhere.
Amit bhai, just do not compare yourself to others, because study
No,
was
no,
saying
no.
this point. If you are
No, no,
going
I'm
to
not.
compare,
See.
you are going to frustrate, because there are many people who are speaking very good. If tomorrow you are going to compare with Sasi Tharoor, this is not possible to
No,
gain
no.
that
See, see.
fluency and that knowledge.
No, no,
Actually,
you are not
what
understanding.
we are doing, you are doing great. At least we are speaking. At least
No,
we are
no, no. You
speaking.
are, see, you're.
Okay,
No,
Amit
no.
bhai,
See,
just
see.
give me 1 minute. Now we are just moving
Yeah,
to the our guru Asu bhai, because Asu bhai
yeah,
is
yeah,
guru of this group. That's why.
yeah.
Yes, Asu bhai, your precious comment, please. Asu,
I guess he is having that the poor network.
yes,
That's
This
because.
thing, sir, because sir,
yes.
yeah, because Amit sir are saying right thing, because
Mm.
only can listen what you are saying, guys. Yeah, because already I have
Asu
used my
bhai,
all
please
Yeah.
data.
change your network. Asu bhai, please change
Yes.
your network,
Can you hear
because
me?
yes, because you are expert here.
No,
That's
no.
why I am
The
saying, please change your
network is so poor.
and take some Airtel idea, something like that, so we can listen our expert view. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, actually. Okay, okay, I will. Actually, I already have used my old data. That's why it's creating problem.
What you are watching, I don't think every time you say this. If you are using Geo, just recharge of 151, you will get 30 GB for 1 month after 1.5 GB. So you can do anything.
Yeah, I'm
Whatever you want
using
to.
Geo.
Yes, yes. Because I have also recharged of
Okay,
151.
okay. So if you can listen me, so please tell me.
Yes, definitely we can listen you. Yes, we are ready.
Okay, okay. Okay. So what the Amit sir was saying, that they are totally right. Actually, we need to learn some new phrases. Okay, about the how, like how to deal with the
house chores. Okay, how to deal with like a phone call, how to start a conversation, how to end a conversation. Like there are so many things to know, because we are not that fluent much. If you will compare with yourself with another speaker, then you will realize what is your level. Okay, because I really talk with so many people on daily. Like there is another application that I used, and that name is Hello. So here I talk with so many speakers, like people are from Indonesia, Singapore, and Bangladesh, Pakistan. When you are speaking efforts, you are speaking effortlessly, then you can say I'm a good speaker. Okay, but here we are putting so much efforts to speak, that means we are not fluent. Okay, when you can speak in English like Hindi without thinking, that means you are a good speaker, and you can understand, and that means you are a good speaker. Because when we start speaking effortlessly, you are not putting any efforts, that means you are a good speaker, you are fluent.
Yes, absolutely
So
correct.
that's the
Because
thing.
it should be a spontaneous.
Because
You should
because
not.
yeah, because you can speak like Hindi. When you can speak in you speak in your mother tongue,
You
when you can speak like in English, so that means you are speaking effortlessly, and your point is clear. You are not repeating any line. Like always we use I will go, like I'm going to do this, I'm going. We always use this line because we don't have any other lines, any other slang word. We will not use this. If we have a different phrase, different slang word, that time we really need to learn a lot. And this is the time of learning, and I can say this is the beginning.
yes, yes, you are absolutely correct. When I compared with others, see, as I already told you, we don't need to compare yourself, but you will be realize that when you have a word with others, because see, it has some certain limits. It has a certain. We can reach as see, we cannot go to means we cannot make our fluency up to what Shashi Tharoor is having. Okay, but why we can't
If you
reach
will
it?
not compare. Okay,
Well,
let
see,
me give one
comparing.
another point. Yeah, you can judge your level. If you will compare
Yes,
yourself with others, then you can judge what is your level. If you will not
yes,
compare yourself, then how you can know what is your level?
yes,
If you
yes,
will
yes,
not test your English like your level is basic, intermediate, or advanced, then how
yes,
you can know what is your
yeah,
level?
absolutely
So
correct. Yes.
comparing with our other self is
Mm.
really a
Because
good thing.
see, I can add my so many friends in
Because
this
if you
group.
will
Okay.
compare, yeah,
Eh,
okay,
yeah. See, I can add my so many friends in this group. They are having a good fluency. But when they will join it, when they will speak it, then you will say that what is this now? They will talk in a such a way that okay, they are also that UP from BR also, but you cannot imagine that he is from the certain guy, he is from the BR, the certain the
Amit,
girl,
Amit,
he is
Amit
from the
Bhai, Amit
UP.
Bhai, Amit Bhai, there are many
Yes,
guys who are living in US, they belong to UP and Bihar.
yes,
Okay, it's depend upon their environment. Actually, they are living
no,
24 hours in that
Yes, yes,
environment.
yes, yes.
That is main reason.
Yes.
Also,
so
second reason is
see, see,
confidence.
see, yes,
Amit
yes,
Bhai, just
yes,
listen me one line.
yes,
When you visit your office,
yeah, yeah.
only you have to take 3 to 4
Mhm,
meeting physically by speaking
mhm,
English.
mhm,
Fifth, then I am saying you are
mhm,
so much confident you can handle any situation. Currently, we are talking about Zoom on the Zoom, so we are not
mhm,
so much confident. Here we are showing our confidence ki yes, we can speak English. But main
mhm,
fight when you are going to speak with someone in physical way means you are just making
mhm,
contact eye to eye, then you are speaking.
mhm,
That is main goal. If you can achieve that goal means you can speak. And if you are talking about fluency, that will definitely come. Only we have to face that situation. Still we are living in
mhm,
our home, still we are talking on Zoom, still we have not faced any physical situation. So we are in not in good position, so you can assess ourselves when you are going to talk to someone in front. And you, if you handle that situation 3 to 4 times, fifth time you can crack it. You can
No,
speak
yes,
as
yes,
you want, because
yes, yes.
I think this is
Mhm.
matter of only confidence. And currently we are not generating so much confidence so you can handle physical. Okay, because
Mhm.
I am visiting my office. Sometimes I receive phone
Mhm.
call. If someone is speaking English, I am very much comfortable to answer. But before this group, I was not so much comfortable to give answer in English. But now I'm giving
Mhm.
very easily. I think this is fun for
Mhm.
me. If someone is calling from insurance company or from something personal load, I am handling all the situation very good because I have generated some confidence. But I have to test myself in front of public in a physical way. Currently, I'm not doing that, and that is main fight for me. If I handle that situation, so I can speak.
Yes. See, you might have heard about that the personality development. Okay.
Yes,
So what does it mean by the personality development?
yes,
Okay. So the forget about, you don't know ABCD about the English, but even though you have to improve your personality. So what does it mean by improving the personality? Okay, personality means, right. See that see, no one will look you how you look like, right?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
how, that is not the personality. Personality development means how you are, the way of talking, the way of walking, way of doing eye contact, and the way of speaking, whether it may be Hindi, English, or Telugu, or any language. But based on that, your personality, someone is going to judge, right? So now coming to the English, right? So English will have some level that the Ashu said, right? See, if you are beginner, intermediate, advanced. Now suppose if you are at the if you are at the intermediate, now anyhow, suppose if you are intermediate, so you will have to move on that on the particle from the intermediate to the advanced. So to get that advance, to get that much of a fluency, then you should know what you will have to do, what would be your next step, what you will have to do. Because see, I just already told you that, suppose if I add one of my friend in this group, so you can easily compare it, the level of his English. So somebody has such a fluency, then my concern is that, why I don't have. See, it is
But
not. See,
Amit,
we
but
are doing.
Amit bhai, but they are not helping us because I have joined many people
Ha.
who are very good in
Yes.
fluent, but they always think why I should help them. Actually, I have feel
Yes. So.
that's why this
Yes.
is
Yes.
main
Yes.
problem. If someone is
Yeah.
speaking very good, they are not going to help us.
Mm,
That is main
yes.
problem because you can take example of
No.
Tina, Sneha. There are 3 to 4 girls
Mm,
in group also. They are speaking very good. But whenever I say, "Ki, please
yeah.
help us so we can learn how you are speaking," they have no time. So this is main problem.
No. So. Yeah. Yeah. So ultimately, if you see the, suppose if you want to do a progress in your life, if you want to make your future bright, so then you will have to only, you are only the responsible of your what I want to say, you are only the responsible for your what you are going to do, right?
Exactly.
Because no one is going to help you. Okay, there would be there should be some mentor also, no problem. Okay, but we have to change it. Because see, you are saying that we cannot blame to the other, right? And now you are saying that there is that the girl Asni and other girls also, right? But we can have some communication with them, then we can develop that fluency also. But sometimes just consider you are alone, but you will have the different ways also. We have YouTube, your other ways also. Even yesterday I had given you that the particular link of that sir also. What he used to do, he was talking with the trees also. Hey, hi tree, how are you? Where you? How was yesterday? Have you taken you got proper sunlight or not? How many bushes came? Now it's look fine. So see, so no need. Okay, but only the concern is that you will have to improve it, your own. You
Okay,
what you are saying, that until there's something, if your throat crack or something, then only you will get a fluency.
okay,
You'll have
Pooja.
to do such a
Okay, Amit
lot of
bhai,
practice also.
Amit bhai. Now we have
Yeah.
Pooja also. Pooja want to speak something, so Pooja, you can speak and just speak whatever you want. There is no any topic.
Yes.
Doing general discussion.
Okay, sir. Hello, may I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay, sir. So actually, I don't have any topic. So as you said, now we are having a general discussion. So I think Amit sir were talking about the a benefit of English. I mean, how we can improve. Uh, isn't it?
Yes, yes, you are.
Hello.
No, see, yes, yes. No, my concern is that suppose if you don't have a partner, or if you have don't have a mentor, okay, and without getting anybody's help, how we can improve it? Our own, and how we can compare our the level, because the English will have the some level also, beginner, intermediate, advanced. So still I feel that I am in the intermediate level, so I have to, I have to move from intermediate the advanced level. So what should I do? So that we are talking.
Okay. Actually, sir, as you said, if we don't have any mentor and even we don't have any partner with whom we can do our practice, so I think it would be difficult for us to learn in a very good manner, because if we are talking to other, and I think they can catch our mistakes, and after then they can easily tell us, I mean, where we are gonna lack, and after then definitely we are gonna correct those mistakes what we have made. But I think there is a certain way, if you wanna check our level, so I think there would be compulsory I have to make the difference. I mean, if I'm better, then I think there is no, actually, as Pradeep sir said, that we should not compare to ourselves with others. So yeah, it's true, but sometimes if you wanna check our level, so I think in that case we will have to take a step, like if the other person is speaking very good, and definitely we will have to take something from their side, if I take the example of if someone is using the phrases, and even he has a advanced vocabulary, and the way of speaking is very good, so I think we need to learn also. We will have to think, like if he can learn, he can do that thing also, I can. So definitely there is a thing to make ourselves like
Okay,
so I
Pooja.
think that's all
Yes.
from
Okay,
my side.
actually,
Yeah.
Amit bhai, just I want to add point here, because I
Mm-hmm.
think it's also depend upon person will they want to learn or not. You can take example of
Mm-hmm.
this group. Now, how many people are sending audio? Only 2 or 3 people, and we schedule a
Yeah,
competition on
that's true.
Sunday. Only 5% participated. So it's also depend
Yes.
they want to learn or not. Here at
No,
9
no.
p.m. daily,
Mm-hmm.
we are conducting a Zoom session. Only if you want
Mm-hmm.
to improve, so you just join and just talk. That's why. But it's also depend upon person capability, their willingness. Yeah, they want to improve or not. You can take example of Pooja. Pooja is daily active. She is listening audio, try to speaking, try to talk someone. There are many guys who are doing, and they are also improving. Okay, at least I am speaking English. That is, my advantage. You can say my achievement of this group, because I have
Yes, yes,
created this
right.
group to improve myself, so I can at least speak 1 or 2 line English. But there are many guys now are they speaking, so that is benefit. And also I force people to please come and try to speak, so we can improve. And you have talked about, and Asu and Pooja also mentioned phrases and idioms. This is really important thing, because there are many phrases, as the study was taking example of Rome was not built in a single day, and something like
Single day.
this is not
Yes.
cup of tea, because there are many phrases people
Hmm.
used to mention that.
Yes.
And that is really
Yes.
important, because when you can mold a sentence within a single line, so anyone can understand, yes, what is
Yeah.
meaning to this. Suppose I am saying English speaking is a not cup of a tea, so people can understand, yeah, this is tough. This is not so much easy, because finally there is a meaning of any idiom. If someone is saying Rome was not built in a
Yes.
single day, means you have to work hard to get something.
Mhm.
So every
Yes.
subject has meaning. And what I feel, there are many dictionary, there are many books, we can read it, but finally we have to use it. If we are not
Yes.
using, then how we can recall? Because there are many vocabulary, if today you are going to open your
Yes.
dictionary, you can see, yes, I know what is meaning of this, but where you are using, you are not using, that's why you are just forgetting. Suppose I have prepared 5 vocabulary today, and within 5 days I am not using that, definitely on 6 days I will forget that. So there is no use. So just try to recall one vocabulary and try to use it. At least try to speak 5 sentences, 6 sentences by using that. In Facebook, I have joined a group. Actually, that is not group. Someone is just post one vocabulary daily. Every time I see it, read it, but I am not using that. So I think that is not benefit. We are discussing a lot of things. Yes, we should learn, you should learn, we should focus on vocabulary. But how much we are using? We are using simple vocabulary because we are not recalling some advanced vocabulary. We know about that, but we are not using. There are many things.
Yeah.
Whenever you watching web series or anything, they are using a lot of words. Suppose you are writing on your notebook, but how many you are using? Depend depend upon that fact. So, and also it take,
Yes.
as we mentioned, Rome was not built in a single day. So it will take some time to be fluent, to be
Yes.
learning
Yes.
idiom and phrases.
Yes.
No, as like
Okay.
actually, yesterday I was talking to Pooja. Pooja has mentioned one phrase. This is not cup of tea. Just I remember that phrase. And
Yeah.
yesterday you mentioned Ajit sir. So when I watch video, he was written "Rome
Yes.
was not built in a single day."
Mm.
I remember that phrase.
Yes.
But when I am
Mhm.
going to use it,
So.
if I am using, then
Mhm.
we in this group there is a Rabi. Rabi. He always use
Mhm.
one phrase. Every coin has two sides.
Two
Whenever
sides, right?
whenever he start speaking on any topic, and that topic is controversial, he always used to say that every coin has two sides. So I remember that phrase also. Yes, that is right thing. So by listening, by repeating, by practicing, we can do. But
Yeah, but what I feel that means there should be a someone who can point it out at instantly. You got my point now.
yes, yes,
Suppose I'm making some the sentences, right? But whatever I'm speaking, right? See, after after this having finished this our Zoom meeting, what I do, I listen
Amit
that
bhai,
audio also once again.
yesterday when you was speaking, I mentioned one thing.
Hmm.
Amit bhai, you
Hmm.
are making
You were not.
mistake.
You were. See,
You are.
you was not. You were.
No, I am talking about past. I am talking about yesterday.
No, but even though if you use you, so there will be was or where. So if
And
you use
where?
you, then there
Yes,
would be
yes, yes.
were.
You are right.
Yes.
I
Uh,
was.
Yes, sir. Actually, Amit sir is right.
so
Yes,
yes, yes.
actually,
Go on, go on. Please go on, Pradeep.
what I
Yeah.
am saying yesterday.
Actually, yeah. Actually, sir, may I say something?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Please go on, Pooja.
Yeah. Actually, sir, you just said like that's not benefit. I think we can say that is not beneficial if we can't learn in a and just we read it and after then we just scroll down. So I think benefit is a verb and we are making a simple sentence like this is not benefit because beneficial. No, we will have to use the adjective verb here because if we are gonna make a like activity sentences where we will have to use the verb. So that's all what
It,
I'm
it,
gonna
it,
say.
it seems that you have studied a lot, right? Grammar. Or have you joined any
Actually,
course, spoken course?
What I am saying, yesterday you were talking about. Actually, I have mentioned yesterday, Amit bhai, you are making a
Mhm.
mistake as like you are using keto, but
Yeah.
today you have not mentioned that you have
Yes.
not make this mistake, and even I am also making that mistake.
Because
now I am focusing
No,
where
no,
I
because
make
I'm
that
speaking
mistake.
so slowly now.
No, no, no. You are not speaking slowly. You know what
Uh,
happened? Actually, now I am thinking in my mind, कि when I make that mistake, so
mhm,
I have that find that place.
mhm,
If I am speaking something
mhm,
and I am taking pause, so
mhm.
at the place of pause, I
Ah,
used to say
mhm,
this
um,
kito, but I am trying to avoid that.
yes,
Yes.
mhm. Yes.
Allah,
Now
why
see,
you are
you
not
are saying
speaking?
that.
Only you are listening. Why?
No, 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 sir.
Please.
Yes, yes. I am learning something from
See,
you,
now
sir. That's all.
let me point it out one thing also. See, see now how to make fluent. Okay, you always say I am, I am, right? So instead of I am, you said am. Fastly am.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I have. Fast, you can make it. So while speaking, if you deliver in such a way that though everyone will say, oh, is having a good fluency, like a
Yes, yes.
native speaker.
Because you have
So see, now you can
no, actually in
you can
that case,
reduce this.
yeah, you have to skip some words. I like I will. No, I'll
Uh,
something like that because when I see web series, I try to catch yes how they are saying because they skip many words and only they speak
the-
last word. That is easily understandable. Yes, what they are trying to say we can easily understand. Yes, they are skipping some word due to only
yeah, see,
it's fluent. Seems it is
we are
fluent.
at mhm.
Yes,
But
yes,
Yes,
Suresh
yes,
Ghosh
we
are
see.
also making good sentence in their audios. Suresh Ghosh are also making good sentence in their all audios. That may
yes,
be
yes,
grammar side or anything.
yes, yes.
Uh, their voice is very nice. Everyone can understand what they are saying, sir.
Yeah,
And last week, his wife posting one post some
okay,
topic. One
okay,
day
okay,
I listen.
okay.
That is
Actually,
also very nice.
I have no idea about that. Actually, I used to listen Suresh Bhai
Yes, sir.
audio because he speak very much clear. His voice is very clear. His sentence formation is very clear.
Yes, sir.
And also, he used to teach some
Yes,
student about
yes,
grammar.
yes.
That's why, but that is really nice thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
And also, he is a police
Yes, sir.
inspector.
Uh,
If he is giving some time to this group, that is,
no,
achievement for us. Yes.
no, yeah, yeah. Mhm.
Yes.
No, no, he runs his own the English coaching institute also because
Yes, yes, yes.
on that day I could see his WhatsApp status and I was about to enroll it, but then later on I could say that oh it was a Suresh, so I will means what I can do, I can have conversation with him also
Oh, yes, yes.
because he use he mold his the language in a very good manner also,
Yes, yes.
and he has the good fluency also.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
That is a good thing.
So
I think
so let's wrap up
we have
now.
discussed about near about 53 minutes today.
Yes,
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 yes, sir.
truly. As I told you that
Yes.
means because of this the New Year means the Christmas as well as the New Year, the Zoom has extended that service. We will have
Maybe.
that
Yes.
unlimited the Zoom call. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
On that day,
That is
yesterday
for
I
this.
told you this thing, but
No,
you
study
didn't
was
realize it.
no,
Now
no,
see.
no. Study that was not. But today I am saying
Yes, yes,
this is
yeah, I understood that. See, yes, I understood it now. If you are two in the Zoom meeting, then it would be only the 40 minutes. But if there are more than three, then it would be the means more than unlimited. You can say it would be the unlimited. Okay,
okay.
so this is the criteria for this Zoom now.
Okay, so thank you. Now this is time to end this meeting. So thank you, Bala bhai,
Yes,
Yes,
for
sir.
yes, yes.
joining this meeting.
Thank
Thank you,
you, sir.
Bala bhai. Good,
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
good night, good
All of
night.
you, good
See you
night. Good night,
tomorrow
sir.
day. Good
Yes,
night.
yes.
Okay.
Bye.